Hello everyone, Theon here. Have you ever wondered how Rubik's Cube are solved? That's the exact question that I have in mind when I got interested at solving Rubik's Cube. I searched for online tutorials, then I learned how to solve these cubes. As you can see, there are many different kinds of cubes and many algorithms for each. And from 2 by 2 to 10 by 10, and many more different kinds of shape. And it will take me a very long time to solve everything here. So for this video, I will just solve this small 3 by 3. It will only just take me less than a minute. So here's how I do it. And that's it. I already solved it. But you know that I need to practice to solve these cubes, and I need patience and perseverance. Because Rubik's cubes take time to solve them, and it improves memory. And for the problem solving skills, there's thousands of twist turnings and combinations, just like solving problems in our own life. So everyone, it's not too late to solve Rubik's Cube. You will surely get satisfaction once you solve a Rubik's Cube. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!